All right, guys, here I am. I have the Wheels of Styles here today, and I got my competitor to try to beat me at this game.
What's up, guys? You've been asking for it. We're finally here with the House channel. 220 average bowler versus the House.
Perfect. So we're gonna spin this wheel. Whatever it says that we have to do, we have to bowl, and may the highest point total win. Let's go.
It's a bad start. It's a bad start. All right. Come on!
I'm going first. Let's spin this dang wheel. Let's get to it. First frame. I'm just a good spinner, you know. I'm just trying to, you know, get the normal first shot. All right, 6 pound ball. Lucky for me, I've been throwing this 6 pound ball for about, I don't know, an hour now.
Flush 4-7.
You know, it's a makeable spare. I don't think scores are gonna be very high in this match, so.
I don't know.
A spare might just be what we need. Oh my God, I threw it straight in the gutter.
We're off to a good start.
All right.
So are we doing the 6 pound ball for both of the
first
frames?
No, you get to spin for your own frame.
So spin every frame.
Every frame is a spin. You know, they're all hard besides normal, so I don't even need a root for anything.
Normal might be the hardest for me, honestly.
Defender, let's go. Let me tell you what this is about, people. Defender is I get to put this bag anywhere I want on the lane, and he has to bowl around it.
Is there any restriction? Like you can put it right in front of the pins and...
Well, yeah, don't do it like in the last, let's say like 20 feet.
Okay. If it hits the bag, is it like a foul or a gutter, or?
If you hit this bag, the ball's not gonna make it to the pins.
It might, you never know.
We're just gonna...
Oh, man.
Defense!
All right, so this is basically a lefty spin. Little does he know, I'm actually decent lefty. Hook. All right.
I don't know what decent means in your books, but decent for me is better than 0. You know, I could have like done you real dirty and put it like right in the middle of the lane, but I gave you a chance to hit some pins.
I can try lofting it over the bag.
I'm not going to tell you your strategy. All I know is I'm trying to beat you. So whatever you need to do to get more than 8 in the first frame, that's what I got.
Oh,
oh my God! Hit. Strike. I mean, that counts. It counts.
It bounced over the bag.
That was crazy. I didn't think, well, we tied somehow. Somehow, some way. It's 8-8 in the first frame, and he bounced it over a bag. I really wanted that to pick it up, too. We'll just leave this defender over here, you know, just in case someone gets it again. Frame 2. Give me something somewhat easy. No approach. All right, this isn't like the hardest thing ever. It's not super easy for a two-hander. I have done this a time or two. That's pretty decent. I can't even pick this up when I use the approach, let alone no approach. I suck at this spare.
It's gonna be tough.
The last video I put out, I missed in the first frame. Just absolutely aced if it hooks a little. It just didn't. I tried to call my shot and I missed. All right, come on.
It's taking so long.
Defender again? Defense!
I don't like this game.
I'm gonna save you again. I'm gonna give you opportunity here.
How's that saving me?
I mean, you have lane to work with, right?
Yeah, I can get over that. No, I shouldn't have told you that.
You're
no.
right. You're so right. Can't get over this, buster.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm gonna be an extra defender.
Plastic ball.
Practice cheetah.
Okay.
I'm also a defender.
Double defender.
I'm a defender.
Hook. Oh my God.
Wow, you went the approach of going up the lane. I thought you would hook it. You just got to do your scouting.
I don't trust myself to bounce
it
off the gutter like that.
Yeah, give him the steep wheel. That's what I was giving you an opportunity to super hook it, you know.
I shouldn't trust myself to play up the gutter either, apparently.
The scouting report of my team is we are a defensive team. Oh, that's money.
That's
it's a strike.
Why didn't I try that the first time?
I don't know. I truly couldn't tell you. I couldn't tell you why you didn't try it the first time. But all right, that was a good spare. Don't tell him, guys. Don't tell him. Don't tell him. Just don't tell him. All right. You get to put the bag on the lane now.
Defender, let's go.
I got defender. I'll put these defenders on ice skates. I just shot a video with bosses all over the lanes. I am sharp at this. Choose wisely. Damn. All right, guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. Yeah, you want that front row seat for this, okay? I'm about to bang this plastic ball off of the 3 board. Oh my God, I drove my bag. I thought for sure it was steep enough. All right, I've seen someone pick it up before doing this. I just don't trust that it's gonna hook on the gutter here. I got a guy laying on lane 34. I got a bag on the lane. Oh my God, that hooked so much.
No way.
It didn't look as good as his because his was like flush, but I am on the board.
Good spare, good spare.
That is sitting down.
Like on my butt?
Sitting down.
Can I do like Indian style?
You can, yeah, you just can't be standing. That's really what I was getting at. Like you could be on your belly and push it. You could be on your side. I don't know. It's, you know, you're the artist to the painting. You just can't be standing.
I'm trying to imagine the artwork right now.
Hey. There are loopholes. I will let it.
That's
I'll
actually
count
sitting.
I'll count it. I'll count it.
Finding the loopholes here.
The peanut gallery coming through clutch.
I've seen this work before. A guy in a wheelchair had a really good arm swing. No!
That's right. You know what? Hey, a good thing though is the way bowling like scores work. It was on a spare, so it's really good that you got 0.
Yeah, it's really good. That's amazing. Oh, it's
that's
good.
Pretty good.
Where's the key?
The second attempts are much better than your first attempts. It's like you learn quick. You just gotta, you know, get lucky.
You gotta figure out how it works.
Well, I'm on a spare now, so I don't want to get 0 on my first try.
I heard it's good though.
That's backwards. I'm trash.
I'm okay with this one.
I am trash at this. Like literal
garbage can.
And I always try to hook it, and I don't know why. I should just try to throw it straight, but what's fun about that?
That's good technique.
It counts. It's pot bowling, guys. I don't know what to tell you.
I'll give it to you.
I don't know why I always throw it in the left gutter, but it's the right gutter because I'm backwards. Learn from your mistakes, Kevin. Adjustments. Bowling adjustments.
That's actually really good. 4-8.
I've done worse. Done a lot worse. 36 in the 4th. It seems like the goal's always 100 when we bowl these scores.
I need a mark here.
I think you need to get pins on the first try.
That would help.
Cameraman's choice. Come on, cameraman.
Choice. Bert, what are we doing? Say normal.
Yeah, set the ball down at the foul line.
And then push it?
Yes, that's a good choice. Cameraman, come on. Oh my God, it's money. It's so good.
The core is taking it in.
It's because the right's walled. Oh my God, he struck. He struck.
No! That
was a good attempt. That was a good attempt.
I got pins on the first try.
You did.
Imagine I spare this.
Well, I don't know with the ball speed that you just give that you're gonna pick it up, but I've seen crazier things. Should have. Dang, who would have thought you'd be good at pushing it from the foul line? He's running it out. Straight in the middle of both of them.
Come on!
8-0 is pretty good on that. I would have went a different route. You pushed it like this, I would have given him the penguin slide belly toss. Give me opposite hand. Let me do something I'm decent at. Or normal, I kind of forget that that's a thing. 6-pound ball. This is a 9 count for sure. Oh, it's got to hook a whole bunch.
I think the ball bounced around the 7.
It definitely did. This has got to be an easy spare because it can deflect. Oh my God. It's just so hard to throw such a light bowling ball sometimes, dude. Oh, I'm in trouble now.
From deep.
From deep. From the back of the approach. From the back of the approach, you have to
Can I be
bowl.
on the approach or off the back?
Off the approach. God. Yeah, dude, from deep. Steph Curry time. The front's hook, just so you know. Oh, he threw it onto the lane. Oh my God, did he strike? Okay, I have so many things to unpack in that. One, he threw it to the lane. I would have just rolled it on the approach. He struck, and then he started flexing on me. All right, let's go. Come on.
I'm not trying to roll out on the approach, man.
that was pretty sick. I'll give it to you. It's gonna give me draw up a defense, I guess. Throws it 13 feet down the lane and strikes, and now I have to throw it over a bag or something.
I think you play the right side. So you can see how hard the right side actually is.
joke's on him. This is literally the most walled thing he could have done for me. Oh, that's got a hook off of it. That's got a hook off of it.
I told you it's hard over there. Oh, good spare.
I'm trying to keep it respectable because you struck last frame.
I'm due for a gutter.
All right.
Defend, wait, roll back, roll back.
Come on! Wait, you're on this lane, right? I did say to this last panel.
It's so far down the lane. I'm tempted to go straight to the bag and take the bag to the pins.
Hey, there's no rules. It's like street bowling, essentially.
I'm trying to loft over the bag. Hook.
Do you play it as it lies because that's where the bag ended up?
I don't know, it's your video.
You're right, it is. I'll be nice. There you go. Oh, wow. I didn't even think about that, honestly. Clearly, I don't know how to drop a good defense because you picked that up left-handed. I'm down 10. I've been in worse positions in bowling. Give me a normal. At this point, I haven't thrown a normal shot. Probably won't even be good. Cameraman's choice.
Let's do backup.
Backup ball?
Millie rock.
I really need a strike here. Yes! I don't care if it's Brooklyn.
I care.
I just simply don't care.
I somewhat care.
Good job, cameraman.
Why do they keep getting this?
So this bag is destroyed, by the way.
Yeah.
Sure.
Why? He really thought I couldn't loft over that? Kind of sad I flat pin though. No!
I had to make a quick adjustment. You know, I saw something out there on the field.
Oh.
Talked to my assistant coach. We had to make a change.
Hook.
It's good defense, boys. Good defense, boys. Way to get the ball back. Now I'm going to come up here and I'm going to roll or spin a normal
Stay there. Yeah.
from deep. I'm just simply not going to do what he did, okay? That was just ridiculous. I can do it too.
Really good. What?
I can do it too!
It wasn't nearly as cool.
It wasn't, but I simply don't care again. Just want you to know I've got 3 marks in a row, including a double.
Thanks,
Give him
sir.
something real hard. Kick him while he's down. Sitting. How have you done like the same 2 things in 8 frames?
I've had 5 defenders and
It's a blowout at this point.
unless.
Unless 10 back here in the chair. That's got to go Brooklyn.
Hey. There's a chance.
There is a chance. Someone's got to get normal. Like if it's me or you, someone's got to get normal one time. All right, he's not out. He has 171 left on the board. He ran so quick to that. I'm on the left lane. So yeah, put it on that lane. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's literally covering the entire lane. This has got to be like a shot clock violation for him to still be doing this.
Oh!
No, why did it have to bounce into the
thought I had a
gutter? Dude, I thought that was it, honestly. I thought at least it was going to hit something. He's just utilizing the strap to his full advantage. All right, the strap won't be in the way as nowhere nearly as much. Yes, it will.
Oh!
Keep falling!
Stop falling.
I think I should have just thrown it straight at the bag and just see whatever happens. And next time I'm doing that. Just not the green one. From deep.
I'm 1 for 1 on this. I'm 100%.
Yeah, apparently he's really good.
100% strike ratio.
Apparently he's really good at this. So,
from
and
deep.
it's on your good lane also.
Push.
Now that's a hard spare. That's what we like to see. We like to see those tough guys that are just not together. They're just behind each other. They're around each other. But you got it though, I believe. For
I thought
sure.
that was good.
Oh, you might have done it.
take them all. Let's go!
Dude, what? What? Why is he so good from the back of the approach? And now I'm down. I need a big 10th. I need a normal strike. Oh, this is close. This is real close to normal. Come on!
Oh!
Here comes the terrible shot because I haven't thrown normal in a literal hour. They're gross now because there's been a bag on the approach. Oh, it felt so weird. I just big forward.
All along, normal was the hardest style of all.
Yeah, it literally is. My kryptonite, my own way of bowling. I have to pick this up. All right, they hook here. I'm gonna hook at it. Please pick it up.
Oh!
The normal shot in the 10th frame, and I just come up here and I get 8-1. Cool. I've never had a more clutch spin in my life just to get 8-1.
Normal?
No! Dude, there's one thing
How
I know.
How iconic is this?
There's one thing I know. He can't strike if there's a bag in the middle of the lane. Remember how you were like using a whole bag to your advantage?
No. I don't remember that. Please don't do that. I'm computing my strategy here. What's the game plan, audience?
Defense. D up, D up, D up, D up, D up, D up, D up.
Okay, okay.
This is just not fair. They're strategizing. Oh my God, it's pretty good. That was a pretty good effort.
I need 4 pins.
Oh, I'm not moving it. I was gonna move it, but I'm just simply not going to because we're here to win.
I'm gonna bounce it over the bag. Carry!
No!
Is that 5?
No way! There's no way you just got 5 that way. Benching him. This defender cut from the team.
Let's go.
You're getting traded tomorrow.
Let's go! 116. I've never been so happy to bowl 116 in my life.
I'm sorry to disappoint House fans. Clearly I was not the better YouTube channel today, but you guys saw it. This was hard, but it was fun though.
It's very fun.
Thanks for beating me.
Don't mind the sweat.
Just shows up and beats me. See you guys next time.
Later.